That would be it. Approximately 2.5 million if we were to be able to come back and test this uptrend line. Unlikely that it happens, however, it would be, I guess you can say, possible. Welcome to today's Silver Log. It is the 18th of April, 2011. I hope you liked that little introduction chart. Not much to say about this chart. It's obviously bullish and it's getting close to the previous resistance, roughly at around $50 an ounce. As far as the daily chart is concerned, this shows us the 18-day average of highs, which is the top blue line, the 18-day average of lows, and the 18-day average of closes with some Fibonacci levels mixed in. Within the last 50 periods, which is what this chart shows, it has yet to have been below the 18-day average of lows. Maybe for a brief period in here, but no, it really hasn't been below it. It's been in a nice upward trend. Now, is it overextended? Well, yeah, sort of, because it's due for a test of this level of support. That doesn't mean that it's going to happen now, and even a correction can still make it not happen, sort of like in here, for example. But the trend is obviously in an upward state. Now, on the weekend, I should say, I was talking about 43.25 to be a significant level of resistance. I was mentioning watch for silver to gap higher, which it did, and then find some sort of level of resistance at 43.25, which is exactly where the market managed to come up towards. And it had a successful retracement throughout the morning, the market coming back down towards this previous area of resistance in here, this level here, which is resistance and support, is support once again. But what's interesting is the very final candle, or the candle that went from 9 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the morning. The difference from bottom to top was 2.2%. And it then had a retracement over the final 20 minutes or so. I was going to say 20 seconds. But the 20 minutes bringing the market down from about 43.55 down to about 43.10. Therefore, it's at an area where you'd want it to find support, meaning you come down and have a big failed, or, well, the selling looks to possibly be a failure, but you have a big move lower and then bang, it goes right back higher. What you want to do is you want to see it either settle down through a price or time correction, and that's a price correction. Therefore, if it can manage to get above this level and find support at 43.25, that's what it's going to need to lift off to make these higher gains. If this uptrend fails, then we'd obviously need to take a look at this support level, breaking through it. Then the next level of support would be the farmer resistance here, roughly at around $42 an ounce, may coincide with the 5-day moving average. However, I really wouldn't lead too much into it given the other factors going on. The Dow's down about 200 points. Palladium's down big. Everything seems to be going down, but really not gold and not silver. So for in a day where the global markets are selling off and silver is not doing such a thing, then that's pretty impressive in my opinion. Now, the volatility at the 2.2%, as I was mentioning, I think if we get above this line in here and trade higher, or the increase in volatility can be somewhat of a warning sign for a potential top or intermediate term top within the market. As far as any parabolic moves, when they occur, that's a key word, is when. this thing is going to skyrocket towards the upside also. So at any time, you got to be aware that the parabolic moves can happen the day that you wake up. Although it's unlikely, it's definitely possible for it to be the case. Now, once again, because of the big moves within the Dow, I'm not going to lead too much in towards the volatility, but I was saying on the blog that within this range in here, it does seem as if this is the neutrality or the equilibrium for volatility. So by getting above this, this means that we're going to be going from normal volatility to higher volatility. And finally, this level, this is where I got the 36.25 or the 43.25 from this range in here. And it's managed to get towards it. It's found support at this level. Now it came a little bit lower, but that's fine and that's normal. Therefore, a break of a break above 43.25. The next target is $45.32. Thank you for watching this and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye. Now, as I was recording the video, the market fell down just a little bit, yeah, about 1.5%. This is the 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock hour, and it's only 17 minutes into it thus far. Already down about 1.8% just since 10 o'clock. So a lot of big moves coming into play. This is a second straight, most likely 2% hourly move. We need to see more downside for that to be the case. However, now we made a new high just a few minutes ago. This happened roughly at around 9:30 something, 9:40 approximately. It made a new high. And just now it made a low not seen since in here. And that's wild, wild volatility. How this is going to pick up, it could be a lot of different things. I'm a little concerned, yes, about an intermediate term top, but at the same point, when the Dow is also down 230 points, 240 depending what it is, then silver's holding up very well, that it's not down below 41 for that matter. So wait and see. Thank you everyone for watching and have yourself a great day.